Hey, John, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda. First and foremost, I want to thank you so very much for your recent interest in one of our Honda Civics, one of our last remaining 2017 models. Saw where you'd inquired in through the Perks of Work program, which we go through TrueCar for that. And so they've already made the negotiation process easy, and you're dealing with the top Alabama Honda dealer for 23 consecutive years. I can't wait the opportunity to go to work for you. You can contact me direct at 205-504-2358. Again, this is Trent Tate with Tameron Honda, and if I can promise you one thing, John, when you make it in the Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.